In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Notion knowledge base AI assistant. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a ready-to-use workspace in Notion that can help you organize information and interact with it using AI. We'll start right from the browser so you can follow along. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Notion Knowledge Base AI Assistant and press Enter. This will bring up several results related to Notion templates and guides. From the results page, look for the link that mentions a guide on how to set up a Notion Knowledge Base AI Assistant. It should clearly reference that it's a setup guide for this specific template. Click on that link. This will take you to a page that explains the template and usually links directly to the official Notion template you'll be using. On that page, you'll see a preview and description of the Notion Knowledge Base AI Assistant template. Take a moment to quickly skim the description so you understand what the template is designed to do. Essentially, it helps you store your documents, notes, and resources in one place, and then connects them with an AI assistant so you can query your own knowledge base. Next, look for a button that says Get Template. This is typically located near the top of the page or around the template preview area. Go ahead and click Get Template. At this point, if you're not already signed into Notion, the site will prompt you to log in or create an account. Make sure you sign in with the workspace where you want this knowledge base to live. After clicking Get Template and signing in, Notion will open and show you a copy of the template inside your workspace. You'll usually see a button or banner that says something like Duplicate or Use this template. Follow the on-screen prompts to add it to your workspace. This might involve selecting which workspace or team you want to use and confirming that you want to duplicate the template. Once the template has been added, you can start customizing it with your own pages, documents, and resources. From there, you'll be ready to connect it to your AI automation tool, as described in the template's instructions, and begin using your new Notion